Hi, this is Doc M. We're here in Siargao right now, and let's talk about one of our other business lines, which is Flora Filipiniana or Flower Parks Development. So, ang Flora Filipiniana is we're trying to develop flower parks using Philippine native trees. We can make it bloom for the rest of the year, and this one we can do as good or even better than the cherry blossoms of Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, and China. Why should we as Filipinos invest in Philippine native flowers? Kasi we're very rich, magaganda ang Philippine native flowers natin. Kung sila merong mga flower parks, tayo din pwedeng magkaroon, magaganda pa ang ating mga native flowers. You should check out how beautiful our Philippine native flowers are. If you'd like to find out more, follow us sa Facebook.